In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a scatter plot in TradingView Pro. Whether you're just getting started with charting or you're already comfortable with TradingView, this will be a quick and simple way to level up how you visualize your data. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. What matters is that you're on the main charting screen. At the top of the chart, you'll see a toolbar with several options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, custom scripts, and community indicators. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you do, a new window will pop up over your chart. This is the Indicators and Strategies panel. At the very top of this panel, you'll see a search box. This is a really handy way to quickly find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list. Click directly inside that search box so you can start typing. Now, type in scatter plot. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. After a moment, you should see one or more options related to scatter plots appear in the list. Make sure you select the specific scatter plot indicator you want to use. Usually, you just need to click once on the name of the indicator. As soon as you click it, TradingView will add the scatter plot to your active chart. You'll notice new points or markers appear, depending on how the indicator is designed. If you want to adjust how it looks or how it behaves, you can hover over the indicator's name in the chart legend and click the settings icon. From there, you can tweak things like colors, sizes, and any inputs the script allows. So the scatter plot fits your trading style and is easy to read. If you're not yet on TradingView Pro and you want access to more features, more indicators, and a smoother overall experience, check out the affiliate link in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it gives you a straightforward way to upgrade and follow along with tutorials like this using the same tools. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to open the indicators panel, search for the scatter plot, add it to your chart, and start customizing it to your needs.